Hello and welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy pedicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll come in with a file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a primer. I'll give my nails one coat each. Come in with my nail clippers and just cut them shorter. I'll get some base gel and put it on my fake nails, then press it onto my natural nails, push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. After which I'll cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. Come in with my cutter and cut the nails shorter. I'll file the edges to clean them up a little bit. Next, I'll come in with the electric file to file the surface and the cuticle area. This also helps the gel stick longer and better. Using this flesh pink gel polish, and this I got from AliExpress. First, I'll come in with one coat, a very light coat, then cure it under the UV for about 60 seconds. And I'll come in with a second coat, which is thicker than the first one. After which, I'll cure them for 60 seconds. I'll come in with a top coat. I'll not dry it, I'll just leave it wet. I like to come in with some water decals, so I'll just place the decal onto my nail under the UV light to secure it in place. Finally, I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. And I'll come in with some oil to help relax the cuticles. So here we are. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you do give it a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.